Hey guys, we'll be back into this new video tutorial with OSP Pro. Now in this video today we are just going to learn something simple, but you're going to find a way how to break it to become simple for all of us. Now I may look onto mainly something called data science as a course. Generally in Africa, I don't think there's anyone who has a course. You might say has a bachelor's in data science. No, data science mainly I would say it's a new course that's booming up today because of the advancement of how data can actually be engineered, be managed, and how data prediction and data visualization nowadays is taking place. Now, mainly, I'm going to cut story short because I know you might be there outside and you might have done your data science as a course, which is good, but then this is a good way to go and a good start for everyone who might be interested to start up a data science course or want to do it as a course. Now, data science is a new platform for you guys now to go in. If I told you I've never done data science, or if I told you want tomorrow go on to data engineering, then science, data is better. Now look onto the other way around. What's data science mainly? Data science is simply we're looking onto the way how data can actually be manipulated. You get how data can be generated for the best and the future use if possible, things like that. How can we actually manage data? How can we visualize data? You get how can we know about data? How can we predict the data? Now those are like types and steps how what it calls to be called a data scientist. Now, let me just take you straight to this. I'm going to base on 3 programming languages that we can actually talk about coming up with our own programming code and generate a given data and which can be used for different platforms. Now, I know you guys may be from a ground of SPSS, SAS, and the rest. That's good, fine. You can actually use that. It's good because today you have a graphical user interface application. It's easy to work with, to deal with, but it cannot handle for us complicated data that's coming generated from a customer's details. I gave assumption. If you look onto data science, let me just give you this example. If you're in Uganda, or if you're in Africa, let me talk about something called Jumia. I know you guys have ever heard of something called Jumia, a platform whereby they buy stuffs, foods, and those stuffs. Then also talk about this platform like maybe like what? Okay, let me just take it to the national standards. Talk about Amazon. Amazon picks the data using in the form of data science. This data generated and fetched in a different format, coming from a databases and different platforms like Johnson, XML, and the rest, which fetches this data. And then this data are predicted where the customer has happened to buy a given product from their given maybe a website. Once the customer happened to click, that data is going to be generated and going to be stored somewhere. Now, that given form of data and data prediction that you estimate knowing that in such a given period of time we shall be having this kind of this is how the thing is going to grow, or we expect the thing to fall, or if that's the case. Now, let me just break this down. Let's just go straight to the point. Let me come back straight and say maybe we are going to base on Python to come up with the data science and generate data for a given client, or not even a client, but to learn how to come up with a data prediction, data generation using Python. Now, like I said initially, there are 3 programming languages that I can base on and they come up with the different programming codes or the data science for data scientists or for IT guys. That's Python. I'll majorly say Python for now. Then R. Now R, I know guys may start asking me what's the difference between R and Python. That one may, if you want, you can actually comment down below, and then we see where does Python really based on and where does R really based on and where do they have limitations. Then the last programming language that I will talk about to come and look onto data predictions is a new programming language called Julia. Now Julia is very good for data scientists, though it will be good for you at least to have some concept in programming because there's some few steps there that you guys maybe need to take, but Python is straightforward, R is straightforward. Within just a minute, you can actually predict and generate given data for a given client. Now, on the other way around, what are the tools we need to have in our PC if I'm basing on Python to come up for data science? Now, the first step I have to tell you guys, make sure you have Anaconda installed in your PC. Have Python or Anaconda installed. Some of you guys may say Anaconda is too big, to to install into a PC. Anaconda, yeah, that's it. Make sure you have Anaconda installed into your PC so that you can be in a position to generate data. Now, if you have this gentleman installed in your PC, you'll be in a platform or a position to already have the following by default. You'll be having a Spider already installed in your PC. You'll be having something called Jupyter, which is the platform we're going to be generating up a given data, running up a given server and generating up the data on the graphical user interface or on the browser software. So that implies in a simple term, this data can actually be generated and be posted or be used on a given platform, like maybe in the form of a website or in the form of a server. So it will be very simple for us to predict the data and generate it up. Now, maybe on the other way around still, you guys may not say, I don't have Anaconda, or Anaconda is too big for me. Make sure you have Python already installed in your PC, and don't forget, set Python to the set the environment variable for the Python so that you can actually be in position to have pip or install pip into your PC so that you can actually start programming and generate about those kind of applications. Now, if maybe you don't have pip, Python to be installed, please just go to python.org, or I'm going to give a description below on this video so that you guys can have Python installed in your PC. Then the other way around, I said also you have to make sure you have maybe have Jupyter installed in your PC. Now, for next video, I'm going to show you, walk with you steps to see how do we actually have Jupyter installed in our PC. If at all maybe we don't have Anaconda, because some of you guys may say Anaconda is too big on downloading, which I know is fine, understandable. But if you want unique class information, class codes, class products, Anaconda is the way to go, because you'll be in a position to use Tesla, you'll be in a position to use TensorFlow, you'll be in a position to use artificial intelligence predictions and generating up all the AI applications as long as you have it installed on your PC, because have all those platforms set for by default. Now, if you just have Python installed on your PC, make sure you have already set up the environment for it, add it to the path. If you know you don't have to add Python to the path, please just check on my videos on Python on how to add Python to the path so that you can actually be in a position to generate up all those piece of codes and now have that set to ready to study, ready to go. Now, my friend, if you find this video interesting, please just subscribe to my YouTube video, but don't forget, the next video is going to come in, and I'm going to just make it just after this. I'm going to come up with a video called how to actually install, how to set up Jupyter into our PC so that we can actually start up data science. So my guys, my friends, I wish you a nice time. Please stay safe, and I wish you actually a happy new year. Happy New Year and Happy New Year again. Thank you.